Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss about triangles. That is naming of triangles. Naming of triangles is based on sides and naming of triangles is based on angles. We will know how to name a triangle based on side. That is this one you see. Naming of triangles based on sides. A triangle having all three unequal sides is called a scalene triangle, right? A triangle having two equal sides is called an isosceles triangle. A triangle having three equal sides is called an equilateral triangle. This is the naming of triangles based on sides. Now we learn about naming of triangles based on angles, right? If each angle is less than 90 degree, then the triangle is called an acute angled triangle. If any one angle is a right angle, then the triangle is called a right angled triangle. If any one angle is greater than 90 degree, then the triangle is called an obtuse angled triangle. This is the naming of triangles. Okay, we know that naming of triangles is based on sides and naming of triangles is based on angles. Right. Now we'll learn question number. Now we learn question number 5.6. Okay. Now what is the question? Exercise 5.6 question number 1. Name the types of following triangles. This is based on sides, right? These are based on sides. Triangle with lengths of sides 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 9 centimeter. You see all the sides are unequal, right? Therefore, therefore right here the triangles with lengths of side 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 9 centimeter. Here we find that all the lengths of the sides are unequal, therefore it is known as scalene triangle, right? It is known as scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. Right? Therefore, A. Triangle with lengths of sides 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 9 centimeter, that is scalene triangle. Question number B. Triangle ABC with AB equal to 8.7 centimeter, AC is equal to 7 centimeter, and BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Here also you see that all the sides are unequal. Therefore, this side triangle is known as scalene triangle. Right? That is question number B. Now question number C. Triangle PQR such that PQ is equal to QR is equal to PR equal to 5 centimeter. You see that all the sides of the triangle is same, that is 5 centimeter. Therefore, it is known as equilateral triangle, right? Therefore, it is known as equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral equilateral triangle. Right? C is triangle PQR such that PQ is equal to QR equal to PR equal to 5 centimeter. Since all the sides are same, therefore it is known as equilateral triangle. Now question number D. Triangle DEF with measure of angle D is 90 degree, right? This is based on angles, right? It is right angled triangle. This is known as, since one angle is 90 degree, therefore it is known as right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. Question number E. Triangle XYZ with measure of angle Y is equal to 90 degree and XY is equal to YZ. Right. Here is side angle is 90 degree and XY is equal to YZ. If we draw the triangle, you will see, if I draw this triangle, we will get one is 90 degree. If we draw one triangle like this, XYZ, here I am drawing a triangle. Here I am drawing a triangle. That is, triangle is XYZ. Triangle is XYZ. Right. This is a triangle. You see here. The triangle is XYZ. This is X. Angle Y is 90 degree. X. This is X. This is X. X. This is Y. And this is Z. Right. And here you see this angle is 90 degree. 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Right. Now here you see that triangle XYZ with angle of measure of Y equal to 90 degree and XY equal to YZ. And this side XY is equal to YZ. This side and this side are same. Right. Then we can name this angle based on side also and based on angle also. Right. If we name this triangle based on side, then here you see that two sides are same, that is XY is equal to YZ. Right? These two sides are same. Therefore, if the two sides of a triangle is same, it is known as isosceles triangle. Right? We can name it as isosceles triangle. I. Right? It is isosceles triangle. Right? And if we name it based on angles, then here you see based angle is 90 degree. Therefore, we can say it as right angled triangle. Right. Right angled right angle triangle. Right. Therefore, we found that in question number E, we can name it according to angle or according to side. If we name it according to side, we can say it as isosceles triangle since the two sides are same. If we name it according to angle, then it will be right angle triangle. Now question number F. Triangle LMN with angle L is equal to 30 degree, angle M is equal to 70 degree, and angle n is equal to 80 degree. Right. Now if we name it, if we make a triangle, right, if we make a triangle like this, let us make a triangle. Here is a triangle. right? If you name it, we'll find that this triangle, if we name this triangle L M N L, this is L, this is M, and this is N, right? And here you see measure of angle L is 30 degree. So measure of angle L is 30 degree. Suppose this is 30 degree. Measure of angle M is 70 degree. Suppose see this is 70 degree. And measure of angle N is equal to 80 degree. N equal to 80 degree. Right? Here you see that all the angles, that is three angles, 30 degree, 70 degree and 80 degree, all the angles are less than 90 degree. Therefore, we can say it according to based on angles that the name of the triangle will be acute angled triangle. Right? Question number F. We can write it as acute angled triangle. Right? This is acute angle triangle. Let us take repeat once again. Right? Here you see name the types of the following triangles. Triangle with length 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 9 centimeter. Here you see that according to naming of sides, naming of triangle according to side, all the sides are unequal, therefore it is known as scalene triangle. B. ABC with AB equal to 8.7 centimeter, AC equal to 7 centimeter and BC equal to 6 centimeter. In this case also you see all the sides are unequal, therefore it is known as scalene triangle. Question number C. Triangle PQR such that PQ is equal to QR equal to PR equal to 5 centimeter, that all the sides are same in a triangle, therefore it is known as equilateral triangle. Triangle DEF with measure of angle D is equal to 90 degree. According to naming of triangles according to angle, it is right angled triangle. XYZ with measure of Y equal to 90 degree and XY equal to YZ. Here you see that we can measure this triangle based on side also and based on angle also. If we name this triangle according to side, here you see that two sides are same, right? XY equal to YZ. Therefore, you can say that it is an isosceles triangle. And according to naming of triangles based on angles, one angle is 90 degree, therefore you can say it as right angled triangle. Question number F. LMN with measure of angle 30 degree, measure of angle M 70 degree and measure of angle N is 80 degree. Here you see we have made it right, and here you see that all the angles, that is three angles, are less than 90 degree, therefore you can say it as acute angled triangle. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share, and also press the notification bell so that you get the uploaded videos immediately. Thank you everybody for watching this video.